Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I am making my coleslaw recipe. I am going to grate carrots in my food processor. Here, while we're grating things, this first coleslaw that I make is going to be a hot marinated coleslaw.
Okay.
While I grate the vegetables, I'm going to get the marinade for the coleslaw going. What you do with this is I have half a cup of sugar, 1/2 a cup of oil, 1/2 a cup of white vinegar, and I have here about 1 or 1.5 tablespoons of celery seeds. And I am just going to put that and bring that to a boil while I'm grating everything. So, alright, for the carrots I had the grater attachment on the blade up, and now I've turned it over. I'm using the slicing attachment for the cabbage and the onions. I have red cabbage for the first coleslaw. Oops. Now I'm going to put in some red onions. And remember, friends, safety first. Always use the attachment for pushing the food down. Now I'm gonna pop the cabbage and the red onion right into here. Our oil and vinegar and sugar mixture has come to a boil, and I'm just going to pour that over top. And I'm going to cover it and give it a turn or a stir every once in a while for a couple hours till it's cool. And there's one coleslaw. And here it is. It also looks nice with green cabbage. Just wanted to switch things up a little bit. And there's a basic oil and vinegar coleslaw. I will put salt and pepper in it after while we eat it, because not everybody likes salt. Alright, for my next coleslaw, I am putting the grating blade back up into my Ninja blender slash mixer I bought at Costco last year. I really like it. As you can tell, I'm a little hard on my appliances. Not the fault of the Ninja, it's the fault of the chef. I am going to take it with a blade. Oops. Dump my carrots in the bowl. I'm turning it over so that the slicing blade is here. I don't know if you can see the sharp blade. Pre-cut some cabbage. Oh, not small enough, I can tell. this in here. So as you see, I have a mix of red and green cabbage because I was using up what was left in my fridge, and I'm going to throw in some pickles because I like pickles in my coleslaw. All my pickles. Pop in there. I'm going to put some lemon juice. And this lemon juicer my mom sent me for Christmas. I believe it comes from Epicure. It is honestly fantastic. I love it. I don't know how I ever juiced things before. You just squeeze it. And there you go. Comes out. Perfect. Little to no effort and no juice left behind. I never thought I could love a lemon zester or a lemon juicer as much as I love this one. It's fantastic. And then I'm gonna mix this up. Okay folks, so here I mostly just eyeball it. I don't really measure for this coleslaw. Do a nice generous tablespoon of dill weed. I'm gonna put in 2 heaping spoonfuls. Oops. 3. Let me clean that up. The same amount of, this is Greek yogurt. You could use sour cream as well. And then I'm just going to stir it around. It turns a bit of a funky color because it has the purple cabbage. So, you know, the whole coleslaw mix turns a little bit pink. Normally I would use just green cabbage. And then lastly, I'm going to put in, this is cane sugar and stevia, a little lower in calories. Put about a teaspoon of that in. And there we go. That is it. This is my pink coleslaw. Tastes good. I love the dill. I did try adding dill pickle juice instead of the lemon, but it was really a little bland. The lemon really picks it up. Oh! Almost forgot the lemon zest. Just to give it an extra kick. A little bit of lemon zest in there. And there we go. I'm just gonna sit and let this get cool in the fridge. So these are the 2 coleslaw recipes my family loves the most. Nothing very difficult about either of them. Neither of them have any real precision. You just kind of eyeball it and do what you like till it gives you the taste that you like. Here's my 2 coleslaws the next day. This one is a little pink because I use the red cabbage. And just as a side note, if you have fresh dill, I really like fresh dill, but again, wasn't going back to the store, and this one's super purple. And if you eat all this cabbage, your pee will be pink. It shows up, so be aware that
all right.
you might want to be aware of this, that's all. They both taste really, really good. They last for quite a while in the fridge.